Hi, are you having trouble on Sanyo washing machine? My model says the error U4, which means the door is open, but apparently it's closed now. Why is that? This model has two sensors to check whether the door is open or not. One is electric sensor here. This sensor is working for now. And there's other sensor. This one is magnetic sensor. It detects magnetic force when the door is closed. Sadly, the magnet is missing. But once you attach magnet over this position, it works fine again. Now I attached magnet and let's see how it goes. Okay, it works. Well, that's all. Thank you for watching.